Hi, Les from Retired and Living the Dream. And today's video is the second of a series of 3 videos that I'm doing with regard to Thailand, living in Thailand. So I've done the first one, Thailand Reality, so have a look up there, and that's a link to the first video. This is the second video, Thailand, the Land of Opportunity. So in the other video, I've shared some realities of living in Thailand, the good and the bad points. But today I want to talk about, would I do it all again? And yes, I would. Because this place has given me something I didn't expect. A second chance of life. For many guys over 60, sometimes life doesn't go as we planned. But Thailand gives you the chance to reset this life. Don't look upon it, you're starting over. Just look upon it as that you're starting afresh. Cost of living in Thailand equals freedom. Back home in the Western countries, and in my case, the UK, it's always going to be tight on the amount of money that I've got for my retirement in the UK. So therefore, living here in Thailand, the money goes a lot further than it would do in the UK. And here in Thailand, you can actually live and not just survive. So eating out, enjoying life, and it's not painful to the wallet. And the lifestyle over here in Thailand is healthier. You do more without realising it, because it's sunshine every day, you're out every day, you're doing something every day. Where in the UK, for maybe 5 or 6 months of the year, you're cooped up inside of your apartment or your house or your flat because it's too cold to do anything. Better weather equals more time outdoors. Less stress, and that changes everything. The less stress you have, the less worries you've got, and the better you enjoy the life that you're living. Simple pleasures become enough. A coffee at the beach, a quiet walk in the morning on the beach, taking time to watch the sunrise and the sunset, and actually appreciating that because you've got the time to be able to do it. The people and the culture. On the whole, Thai people are friendly and welcoming, which makes it easier to relocate and settle in your new location. And there's a calmness living here in Thailand that actually grows on you, and you become less stressful and more calm in your day-to-day life. And of course, you're in control again because you've got the adequate funds to be able to live here. A much better life than what you would do in the UK or the Western countries. No pressures to keep up with everybody anymore. Thailand don't care about keeping up with the Joneses. No expectations, just your life. Live it how you want to do it. If you want to do something, do it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. It's up to you. That's a famous phrase in Thailand, up to you. And that freedom is powerful. Freedom to do what you want, to go out to eat, to go out to holidays, to go out and enjoy yourself, and knowing that it isn't going to cost an arm and a leg to be able to do so. Is Thailand perfect? No, it isn't. But then again, I don't think any country around the world is perfect. But this ticks many boxes here in Thailand. And the positives, for sure, certainly outweigh the negatives of living here in Thailand. So moving to Thailand doesn't just change where I live. It changed how I live, for sure. And sometimes that's just exactly what you need in life. So thanks for watching. Again, this was the second video in a series of 3 videos with regard to moving over here to Thailand. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Very much appreciated for watching. Bye for now.